In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Counter-Strike 1.6 with your friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this method, all you have to do is select Find Servers from the main menu. In here, you will be able to browse through all the available servers. You can change the filters and sort by low latency if you wish, and you and your friends will be able to join the same public servers available to play together. The reason why I'm teaching you how to do it through this method is because as of today, you cannot invite or directly join your friends using the Steam overlay like you can do in other games like CSGO. Since CS 1.6 is quite old at this point, the best way to play is just to join one of the available servers. Like I said, you have a lot of options when it comes to sorting and changing out the filters. You can choose the map, low latency, and you can even try to look for empty servers by filtering them by lowest first. You and your friends can just join any of these empty servers to play together with a good latency. Alternatively, you can also open up a web browser and go to the Game Tracker website to browse servers from here. Like in the game, you will be able to filter by location, players, and the map. When you find the server, simply copy the IP address and, within the game, open up the console, select Connect, and paste the IP address like so. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Counter-Strike 1.6 with your friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.